Hello, good day, our good people of the Vanguard family, our readers, and our listeners, Vanguard hard copy and online. I welcome you to today's edition of your favorite business show, the Vanguard Business Life. And what we talk about today in the circumstance of the cash crisis, cash crunch, don't be taken away or overwhelmed by the situation. Stay strong in the business focus, navigating the tide uh, to a post-crisis state. Uh, it will make all of us stronger at the end of the day. And by if you look at the trajectories, we are in pre-election season. The deadline for the CBN cash transition is this week, and then we know that probably the issues will linger a little while after now, and probably culminating in the election on the 25th of this month. And then 1 week after, probably, if all things being equal, we will be over this period. And your business needs to still be standing at the end of the day. And then we usually bring to you topical issues and how to navigate around, and we talk about your investments, financial investment, how you manage your idle cash. Today, you see the fixed income, looking good with returns and ranging between 10 and 15% for 12 months investments in reputable financial institutions. And then we also have the stock market that is resisting the current pressures, resisting the current pressures. That is the way to describe the stock market as of today, because we had expected that the pre-election investment climate will rub off negatively on stocks. But you could see the stocks, resisting and being to a large extent bullish, even in the circumstance of the cash crisis. Don't be deceived by the limited cash available to you to think that there's no money. There's money, a lot of money around. The stock market did added about 847 billion naira last week. That's new investment coming to the market. And you could see the markets indices up in upswing. The all shares index has hit a 40-year high as at last week to about over 54.2 thousand, 54.2 thousand, or 54,200, about 54,213.1 points last week. And then the market capitalization is doing over 28.7 trillion. Now, these are new monies that are being, turned around and on in the stock market. Yours could be part of it. And year to date, just about a month plus, we have had about 5.8% returns on the investment in the market. You can imagine what that could mean to your finances. And then the sectors that seems to be doing well or better, rather the oil and gas and the banking sectors. The oil and gas, you know what's going on? The fuel crisis. You could see that in the stock market is reflecting positively that the oil companies are going to turn out good results, and that's why the investors are lining their investment behind the companies in that sector. And the yield just last week is about 1.9.2% just last week. And then the banking sector, look at these two sectors where we are currently facing severe challenges. The energy sectors, the fuel crisis there, and the banking sector, the cash crisis there. They are doing the best in the stock market as of last week. And even this week is going to be sustained. What does that tell you? In the midst of the crisis, you can make success, can make business success. It's happening already around you. How do you navigate around that? Check around you if you have an idle cash elsewhere. You look for how to deploy that to make some profit margin. If you don't do that, you are going to make loss in those cash you put in the banks. So look around you. I'm just giving you the tips in the stock market and then in the fixed income market. As we come your way again, Stay tuned to Vanguard Life to get more tips. Have a nice day.